BiosControl Excel 2211 is the preservative system that helps you to improve the stability of your formula. It comprises phenoxyethanol and chlorphenesin, which offer broad-spectrum microbial protection, and glyceryl undecylenate, which act as emulsifiers and optimizer of your formula touch. This product is then recommended in emulsions and makeup. We performed the CTFA microbiological challenge tests on leave-on and rinse-off formulas, and in both cases, Excel 2211 was able to reduce the microbial load quickly. You can incorporate it in your formula in the oil phase before the emulsion process at maximum of 70 degrees Celsius or at the end of the formulation under mixing when the temperature is below 40 degrees Celsius. For any further information, doubts, or questions that you might have about BiosControl Excel 2211, do not hesitate to contact us. BiosControl team is here to give you the best support.